Advertising and sales promotion are excellent tools, especially for educating the market and for getting customers to take immediate action. While these are desired results, what you really need in your marketing activities is a solid long-term engagement with customers. In a world where people easily get bored with brands and everything, companies that win in the long run are those who keep their customers excited and entertained. The way to do this is through events and experiences. Events and experiences are a collection of activities and programs that are personally relevant moments in customers' life. They deepen and broaden a company's brand's relationship with the target market or community. Companies sponsor such events as sports tournaments like football, golf, marathon, etc. Events don't have to be as high profile as FIFA 2022 in Qatar or the Masters. It could be something as simple as the company anniversary or sponsorship of local festivals. Research and experience have shown that the type of event that bring the most value to a company are those that share 6 characteristics. Number 1, the event identifies closely with the target market. It creates or reinforces brand perception. It sustains brand exposure. It enhances corporate image. It entertains and evokes positive feelings in customers. And lastly, it helps to express the company's commitment to a specific cause. One last thing, just like sales promotion, events and experiences to be sponsored or executed have to be properly planned, passionately executed by a team of talented people, and eventually evaluated to see their contribution to the overall marketing campaign.